Cucumbers are low-calorie fruits and are a rich source of vitamins and minerals. They also pack with lots of health benefits. In this video, I'll be sharing my 2 easy-to-make recipe that will make you love cucumber the most. I'll be using 1 medium size of cucumber. I'll just divide it into 2, then cut it into half in order to expose the seed. I'll also be removing the seeds just the way I'm actually doing it. Next, I'll cut the cucumber into strips. Then I'll also cut it into smaller chunks, just to give it a very nice shape. I'll also be using some banana for this recipe. I'll just simply dice it into thin circles. For the fresh recipe, I'll simply transfer the cucumber and banana into this plate. I'll also top it up with some peanuts. We all know that peanuts blend well with both cucumber and banana. Next, I'll be adding some plain yogurt, but you can choose to also use milk. I'll just mix everything together, and guys, that's it for the first recipe. It's actually looking so yummy. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. For the second recipe, I'll be transferring the diced banana and chopped cucumber into the blender. I'm actually using more of the banana in order to have a creamy consistency. I'll also be adding some peanuts, although it's totally optional for this second recipe. Just like the first recipe, I'll also be adding some plain yogurt. You can choose to also use milk. I also added little ice cubes to give it a rich, refreshing taste. Then I'll cover and allow everything to blend properly. This combination helps to keep the body hydrated. It helps to cleanse the liver, the kidney, and even the bladder from toxins, and it can be taken at any time of the day. After blending, our cucumber banana smoothie is ready. Let's see how creamy it looks. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried this out. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you all next time with another exciting recipe. Do remember to eat healthy and stay healthy.